So let's get right to it. The first step is to cut and sand the pieces of wood. Yeah, so these are all the things you're gonna need to build the thingamabobsy. So right now I am measuring and marking with a pencil where I am going to put the small pieces of wood that I'm gonna attach the squares onto. So I realized I'm gonna have to move the screws because the drill was kind of like getting into the way. So I had to be able to fit the drill in there. Okay, so right now we have the Leaning Tower of the Pisa. What a beauty. Hopefully when I add more pieces, it will be straight. I wanted to give up. So this is the only way I can record right now. It's a bit difficult to record and do this at the same time. Whew. Okay, needs to be pressed down a bit more. I'm gonna put it on the edge.
Oh, 19! We thought you said 90. Okay, everybody, let's go.
So this is how it looked before I painted it. You can see in the corner my little can of paint and my paintbrush.
You know what shoes would look great with this ring? Diamond shoes. You're not getting dressed.
Know what I mean?
So this was after the first coat of paint.
Shoot!
So this is just a straight piece of cloth. Don't mind the background, I'm organizing stuff. It's a straight piece of cloth and I stitched it right here. I stitched it straight across. And I hem one side of it. over the box, like these ones. I use a glue gun to stick the material onto the box. And here it is, all done. So each box is for something different, like hair products, nails, books. One is for my son. So here my organizer is in my room. Please like and subscribe. I also painted this chest of drawers. Let me know if you would like to see this video. Bye.